Good afternoon everyone. Today I will be presenting about diphthongs, one of the important topic in phonetic and linguistics. Diphthongs are often considered a key element in language pronunciation because they have form unique vowel sounds. I hope that we can all understand this material well because it is very relevant for language learning, especially English. Definition of diphthong. The word diphthong comes from Greek, which literally means to voice or to sound in phonetic. A diphthong refers to a vowel sound that changes from one vowel to another within a single syllable. This distinguishes it from a monophthong, which is a single vowel that does not undergo a sound change. Why are diphthongs important? Because these sounds provide dynamic and complexity to the phonological system of a language. With the presence of diphthongs, we can produce a variety of sounds that enrich the pronunciation in a language. Characteristic of diphthongs. There are three main characteristics that define a diphthong. First, glide from one vowel to another. The sound starts with one vowel and gradually shift to the other vowel in a smooth process. This shift gives the impression of movement to the vowel sound. Second, one syllable. Although there are two vowel sounds in a diphthong, they remain in one syllable. This is different from a sequence of vowels that are pronounced separately. And third, change in vowel quality. The quality of the vowel sound changes from beginning to end. This creates a dynamic effect that is characteristic of diphthongs. By understanding this characteristic, we can recognize and produce diphthongs more accurately in everyday speech and formal pronunciation. Example of diphthongs. Let's look at some example of diphthong in English. First, I. An example is the word price or time. The sound starts with the vowel A then shift to I. A example are the word fast or day. The sound shift from E to I. O example are the words mod or no, where the sound shift from A to U. O example are the word goat or sow. The sound starts with O and ends with U. O example are the word choice or boy. The sound shift from O to I. In addition to English, other languages also have diphthongs. For example, in Spanish, there is I as in tierra and U as in puerta. In German, there is A as in ein and A as in new. In French, there is wa as in moi and u as in hood. This example show how universal the concept of diphthongs is across language around the world. Diphthongs in dialect. Diphthongs also play a big role in accent and dialect. The difference in pronunciation of diphthongs are often characteristic of a particular accent. For example, in the Brooklyn English accent, the word dog is pronounced with an ow sound, making sound like dog. This shows how diphthongs can give an accent its unique identity. Understanding the variation in diphthongs in dialect is essential, especially for language learners. By recognizing this variation, we can improve our pronunciation, increase our fluency, and understand the language better. In conclusion, diphthongs are an essential element in the pronunciation and comprehension of language, especially English. Mastering diphthongs will help us avoid pronunciation mistakes that can lead to misunderstandings. By understanding how vowel sounds shift and their sound quality, we can speak more naturally and confidently. That concludes my presentation for today. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this material can help us all in improving our English skill.